Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by cutting power and verifying basic safety, because working on an energized system is dangerous. Turn off the thermostat, then flip the breaker and wait about 5 minutes to allow the system to reset. While power is off, remove and inspect the air filter. A clogged filter often reduces airflow. Next, clear debris around the outdoor unit and confirm thermostat mode and batteries. Once done, restore power and listen for startup. This quick reset often fixes control glitches. You now evaluate airflow and refrigerant indicators to pinpoint deeper faults. Start by feeling supply registers and return vents. Weak airflow suggests blower or duct issues, so check the fan and filter again. Visually inspect evaporator and condenser coils for heavy dirt or frost. Dirty coils reduce heat transfer. Clean gently with coil cleaner. Listen for hissing or grinding noises and look for oily stains that suggest a refrigerant leak. If you suspect low refrigerant, make sure to stop and call a certified tech. You finish by checking electrical components and confirming control signals, because many problems hide in simple failures. Turn power off. Inspect the capacitor for bulging or leakage and the contactor for pitting. Loose wires should be tightened and damaged parts replaced. With power on, use a multimeter to verify 24V at the thermostat and proper supply voltage at the unit. If the unit still won't cool, shut it down to avoid damage. Record symptoms and conditions, and contact a licensed HVAC technician. This prevents costly mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.